California at Hangar 24, but we're gonna go on a helicopter ride right now. I'm scared. I don't think I can do this.
There it is.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Are you?
Am I ready for this? No, I'm not ready for this. I think it might be our escort. Crazy. What are we doing? I didn't realize you were filming the reflection. We're about to be high in a matter of like minutes. In the next like 5 minutes, we're gonna be high as fuck.
That's the next flight?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, do they do refunds? If I can,
I don't know if I can.
you know, I was like super psyched on this. You know what? Actually, I'm completely fine. I think it's just you're the one that's freaking me out.
You think so?
Yeah. You know, I thought I was. I don't know if I am now. I'm gonna go with you.
Are you scared, nervous?
Yeah, cool helmets.
Get headphones.
But not the helmet.
No. That's for if you are like, let's say getting shot at, or flying where there's a lot of birds down by the beach and there's gonna be a bird strike. I promise you won't need it.
But they just look cool.
Well, yeah, they do, but
Yeah, that's. I mean, I wasn't like not for safety, just because it looks cool. That's pretty much it.
they're very expensive.
Oh, really?
The headphones alone that we have are about $1,000 each.
I am pretty excited, actually.
I know. I was thinking of one of the Hangar 24 rip. I was like, yeah.
I don't know. I don't want you to get like yelled at, and maybe some like security guard jumps out of
Just
nowhere.
wanted to
and
take a
tackles you.
picture of an airplane.
You're gonna go take a picture of a fucking helicopter right now.
Yeah, but it's not an airplane.
How do we get so far away from them?
Let's go catch up.
Hey, do you think I should
We're making friends better than you. God, hurry up.
Do you think I should have
We're
taken
making
this
friends.
before this? Or not? Oh my god.
Unfortunately,
How was it? How was it for you?
Dude, that was really fucking cool. That was like really, really cool. It felt fake. I felt like I was reevaluating my life when I was on it. You need tip off? Said tips appreciated.
Where?
On the fucking bar in front
I
of
was
you.
too busy looking at everything fucking else than to look at a tip jar.
It wasn't a tip jar.
It wasn't a
It was
tip.
the bar right in front of us. I appreciate he was very nice, very respectful, made me feel very comfortable. Gave us one hell of a ride.
Cute accent.
It was nice. And to Hot Dog, he had a cute accent.
You liked it too, man. Don't even lie. You knew it. You were like, damn, he's British.
Why are you saying? You always saying some gay ass shit.
it's pretty cool. Huh?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I wish I could have lasted 30 more minutes.
Yeah.